Hey everyone, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be doing a quick warm-up, 10 minutes, no breaks, no equipment, just got to get your body warm before you hit a workout. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into this warm-up.
All right, starting off with arm crossovers. For this exercise, stand up nice and tall and we're going to crisscross our arms out in front of us. If you're going to do right over first, then go left over second. So switch the top arm each time you swing. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Next up, we have some low impact high knees. For this exercise, you can it's kind of like marching. You're just going to bring your knees up a little higher. Rest your hands on your hips if that's comfortable for you. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Moving into crossover toe touches, stand nice and tall, feet are out and extended. Your arms are up like an airplane and you're going to take your opposite hand to opposite foot. We've got 30 seconds here. Next, we're going to do some horizontal arm circles. So go ahead and go forward clockwise for 30 seconds, and then we're going to take it counterclockwise for another 30. Coming back onto your wall, use your wall for support here. Go ahead and put one hand on the wall and we're going to swing one leg at a time. These are single leg swings. We're going to do whichever leg you're comfortable with first and then go ahead and switch sides. The goal here is to just kick your legs up nice and comfortably. You don't have to overextend. We just want to warm up those legs and stretch out those hamstrings a little bit. Give yourself 30 seconds on each side, right and left. Great job. Go ahead and switch sides. Coming down into a stretch, we're going to do some runner's lunges. So for this exercise, instead of bringing our upper body down to the ground, we're just going to place our hand down and we're going to bring it up behind us. We're kind of doing a little bit of yoga right here, but not too much. We're going to do 30 seconds on each side. Great job. Go ahead and switch sides. Next up, we're going to be doing some side step arm raises. So this is kind of like a jumping jack, a modified version. So instead of jumping up and down, you're going to step out and wave your arms up and down over your head. Step from side to side. We've got 30 seconds here. Moving from this motion into actual jumping jacks, go ahead and we're going to do 30 seconds actual jumping jacks. Your hands should come up right over your head and just nicely touch each other and come back down. Next, we have some squat raises. So for this exercise, come down into the squat position and act like you're kind of scooping something up, and raise your arms up in front of you and then come back down and do the same scooping motion. This actually feels really good. I don't know what it is. It's kind of relaxing. Next, we're going to do some one-legged side hops. This kind of reminds me of karaoke's. Remember in like middle school when you do karaoke's, except we're not twisting our body. So we're just going to go ahead and hop from side to side on one leg. Other foot comes behind the opposite that's down, and keep your back nice and straight. We've got 30 seconds here. From here, we're going to do some leg circles. This is such a great stretch right here for the groin. So go ahead and rotate right from left. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Next up, we have some comfy side stretches. These feel so good on your obliques. Lean from side to side, arm up high above your head, and take it slow. We've got 30 seconds here. Moving into some nice big circles, we're going to be doing some backstrokes first and then front strokes. I don't know what it is. My shoulders pop every single time I do a backstroke or a front stroke. Maybe it was softball, but I have this crazy popping noise in my shoulders. I don't know if you guys have that either, but it's weird. All right, we've got 30 seconds here, almost done. Next, we're going to do some upper body twists for this exercise. Bring your arms into a nice neutral position. Elbows are bent and you're going to swing from side to side, just moving your upper body. This feels really, really good.
Waking up now, wondering where I've been. Me by your side. Waking up now, wondering what I wish you by my side.
Now that your body's nice and warmed up, we're going to do a little bit of neck stuff. So go ahead and roll your neck from side to side. I curled my hair today and I really couldn't get a hold of it, so it's just in my face. Excuse me for that. We've got 30 seconds here and we are good to go.
Waiting the sunrise, drinking my own wine. Carefully, the old memories knocked on my door. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. You've been on my mind for a minute.
All right, you guys, I hope you're nice and warmed up. Like I said, this is really relaxing and just like an easy warm up for your body. Let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. If it's too easy and you want a harder warm up, let me know. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.